The governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Otti, flags off a 30-kilometer road for construction. I'll let you watch the video, where he said, "Today marks another watershed as we flag off the reconstruction of the 30-kilometer Arochukwu Ndiokereke Ozuabam road. This project, along with the Umuahia Uzuakoli Ohafia road, is a testament to our commitment to removing barriers that hinder our people's potential and economic prosperity. We are not just building roads, we are paving pathways to a brighter future for our dear state. By connecting our agricultural heartlands to urban markets, we are ensuring that our farmers' hard work pays off and that our youth have ample employment opportunities. Quality and longevity are at the forefront of these projects. We have engaged top-notch contractors to ensure these roads stand the test of time, reflecting the value of every taxpayer's kobo. In about 18 months, the Arochukwu Ndiokereke Ozuabam road will breathe new life into our local economies, inviting investment and growth. It is more than infrastructure. It is about nurturing the social fabric of our communities and encouraging our diaspora to reconnect with their roots. Together, we are driving towards a new Abia, where progress and development will touch every corner of our state. Friends, this is what the governor said in his Twitter post. Now, I want you to enjoy the video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more updates. Enjoy.
As the government have made a covenant to bring succor to the people, after many years of frustrations, we knew that road construction, rehabilitation and maintenance must be made major priorities long before we took our oath of office. Starting with some of the most strategic roads in Abia and Ohafia, we are now expanding the scope to cover roads that connect our agricultural zones to the urban areas in order to boost the state's agricultural output and expand our economic corridors to create jobs for thousands of our young people while taming rural-urban migration. It's on this note, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, that I happily welcome you to the official flag-off of the reconstruction of the 30-kilometer Arochukwu Ndiokereke Ozuabam road. The Arochukwu Ndiokereke Ozuabam road will on completion in about 12 months. The Honorable Commissioner for Work said 18, but I have the commitment of gelled construction that this road will be completed in 12 months. MD, I hope I'm right. Chairman, I hope I'm right. 100%. Absolutely. I must also make a point about the federal road from Umuahia through Bende to Ohafia, going all the way through the barracks to Ihechiowa, and then also terminating in Arochukwu. So the point I was going to make is that last week I had to travel to Abuja, where I met the President of the Federal Republic and appealed to him to fast-track that road. Thereafter, I met the Honorable Minister for Works, and we have started discussion on the best way that the federal government will send the contractors to site. So while the state is doing its own, we are also partnering with the federal government to do their own. And I have the assurance that work will soon start on that corridor.
For the past 24 years, every gathering of Abia people here in Nigeria and outside Nigeria have always been lamentation. But every gathering of other people today is celebration. Everywhere you see other people today sitting together, drinking, chatting is celebration.
And the whole of Abia, what we pray for is God's strength for him and wisdom to carry on. This is just the beginning, which I know. And on behalf of the whole assembly, we are giving him his total support. There is nothing he will ever ask of us that we will never do. Thank you, Your Excellency. We are so proud of you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, honorable member.
Testimony go jam. Testimony go jam. Testimony go jam. Testimony go jam. Testimony go jam.